Well, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a temp mail, guys. Actually, really easy and simple. There's many different ones that work. This one works. This one also works. I've tested them out. This one also works. So, in case you are using it on a website which doesn't accept this temp mail's email addresses, you can try these other ones. And one of them should definitely work. You can use this to create dummy accounts, or if you want to get rid of spam, you don't want spam emails coming in, you just want to sign up for something really quickly, a dummy account, you don't want advertised emails, you don't want hackers coming in, you can keep your actual mailbox clean. Okay, you can use this to sign up to things anonymously. Very disposable, guys. I'm going to show you that this thing actually works. Look, I'm going to copy this email to my clipboard. Okay, there's no inbox right now, right? But I'm going to send an email to myself. Let me show you guys. I'm going to send an email. Right, paste that email right there. I'm going to do test mail, and then I'm going to write this is legit. And you can have verification codes coming in from other websites and stuff like that, but I'm going to just send this email to myself with test mail, and I'm going to see it's going to come here. Let this refresh. It automatically refreshes every now and then, every few seconds, keeps refreshing itself. It refreshed on its own. I didn't even click refresh, but it refreshed on its own. I guess no email has come in yet in the inbox. So I'm going to keep waiting. Let's hope something comes up. All right, nothing's come up yet. Here we go, guys. This is it. The email came in. It says test and mail. Here, test mail. This is legit, guys. Literally that easy and simple, guys. You can use this disposable email, or you can use the other ones. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. These are absolutely free. You can even change the email addresses. They only last for 10 minutes, so everything else gets deleted after 10 minutes. Literally that easy and simple, guys. If the video helps, make sure you like, comment, and of course, if you want,